In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Apple password on your Mac. The first method is to use the passwords application. To do this, we first want to press Command and spacebar, and you want to search for passwords, and you want to open the passwords application. Now you need to use Touch ID or your login password to view them. From here, you want to select the search bar in the top right hand corner, and you want to search for Apple or iCloud or something related to Apple. Once we've done this, you want to select the password, it should be the top result, and then you should see your login information for your Apple account. Now you want to hover over the password section to see that password, and you can select it to copy it, or you can go ahead and log into your account just as you normally would. The second way to view your password is by using Safari. To do this, we first want to open the Safari application. Now you want to select Safari in the top system menu bar, and in the drop down menu you want to select settings. Once you're inside Safari settings, you want to select the autofill tab, and then where it says usernames and passwords, you want to select edit, and then you should be able to see your usernames and passwords listed. However, because I'm on a newer version of macOS, it automatically opens the passwords application. If you use the Google Chrome web browser, then your passwords might be saved with Google. So to check this, we first want to open Google Chrome. Now you want to select the three dots in the top right hand corner, and in the drop down menu you want to hover over passwords and autofill, and then Google Password Manager. Here you shall see a list of all of your passwords, so you want to go ahead and search for the Apple password. However, I don't save my passwords with Google, which is why there is no password saved here. And that's it, so if this video is helpful, please leave a like.